Today we're going to look at how to create a citation in MLA 8 for an anthology. An anthology is any book that contains the work of more than one author. So if you've got chapter authors, meaning like this book, separate author for each individual chapter, or anything like a collection of short stories, your literature textbook, these are all anthologies because it's a collection of writings by multiple authors. So this is a book that we use for research papers. It's available down in our library. It's called Critical Insights, which is the title, and then the subtitle is John Steinbeck. Here's the copyright page. My scan of it is a little bit crooked, but that's okay. It'll work for us. And then here's the first page of the chapter that we're going to be citing. So over on our Works Cited page, since our author's name is Benson, it will go above this citation just in the interest of keeping things in alphabetical order. And we need the author of the selection, which means who wrote the chapter or the section that we're going to be citing. In our case, it is Jackson J. Benson. So we're going to put it in this format, last name, comma, first name, period. And we have a middle initial that we'll need to include as well. So we've got Benson, comma, Jackson, J, period. And I know it sounds like I'm banging on the keys. I'm really not. It's just very loud in this with this little microphone. Next, we need the title and subtitle of the selection, meaning the chapter or section. So we've got John Steinbeck, the favorite author we love to hate. And we can see from our example that chapter titles, as we know, go in quotation marks, and there's a period here that goes inside of the quotation marks around the chapter title. So John Steinbeck, the favorite author we love to hate. Period, close quotations. Okay. Next, we need the title and subtitle of the anthology. That means the title of the book. So here's how we set that up. It needs to be italicized, and there's a colon between the title and the subtitle, and a comma follows that. So we've got Critical Insights, John Steinbeck, and it needs to be italicized. So we can click here or hit Command I on our Mac keyboard. And notice because we already have our hanging indents set up, it's already doing that automatically for us. If you need to know how to do that, there's a separate video. Okay. Next, the editor or editors of the anthology, and here's how it should be set up: edited by, and then the person's name, followed by a comma. So we've got Don Noble. So we're going to type, okay, followed by a comma. Go back to our instructions. Then we need the publisher. You can find the publisher here or here. It's Salem Press. So publisher followed by a comma. And then we need the year of publication or the date of publication. So the copyright date is right here for us, 2011. Followed by a comma. And then the page numbers of our chapter. So I didn't manage to catch that in our in my copy. So this, but I've got the book with me. So this is page. We'll do PP because that's what you have to do if it's multiple pages. 99 to 110, and then follow it with a period. That's the whole citation. So notice there's no city. It doesn't have to say print just because this is a book. So MLA has to remove those things to kind of simplify the process.